That person is no other than Arjo Turner. He's now a Makabayan director. Come on up. I'm up here. And already I put her up to work already. Congratulations, Arjo. The mic is yours.
Maraming salamat po yun. I am in the assumption that you're gonna introduce me. So, well, I'm gonna introduce myself. My name is Josephine, legal name, but I go with Arjo, my nickname. I'm originally from the land of Manny Pacquiao, General Santos City, Mindanao, Bisaya, regards sa mga Bisaya, Ginintiman. And I'm a mom of 2, a wife, and I've been here in Atlanta for 18 years now. I graduated from the University of the Philippines, Los Baños, took Bachelor of Science in Agriculture, and I also had my Master's in Environment and Natural Resource Management. I graduated from Harvard Kennedy School, Public Leadership Credential Program, and I'm currently a master's student of Harvard Extension School, taking Master of Liberal Arts in Government with micro-credential in International Relations. So that is my academic background. Professionally, I am a project manager, program manager, and portfolio manager with certifications from the Project Management Institute. So you would see PMP, PGMP, PFMP. I do professional certification trainings for professionals who are also engaged in those certifications, and especially with the integration of AI and or Scrum and or Agile frameworks. In the Filipino community, I've been part since 2007 through the Galing Foundation, Inc., wherein I came to learn these wonderful leaders and I'm inspired by their leadership. I was there during the first June 12 celebration at the house of Consul General Donato, and I can still remember Ms. Mayet doing the national anthem with Ambassador Ga at that time. So pretty much the role of Makabayan Georgia has also evolved at that particular period of time. And then since then, I've been a volunteer with the Philippine Honorary Consulate Office, and now actively also doing that volunteerism with Ms. Jane. I served so many hats in the Filipino-American community, but also in the other civic engagements that I am engaged with. I am currently working as Special Assistant on Project Management for Cobb County Chairwoman Lisa Cupid, and I own my own educational consulting, ACT International Consulting LLC, where I do engage in professional training for different organizations in the US and in the Philippines, and also professionals across the board. Pretty much that's it, but please just call me Arjo, the kikay in the room, the one that loves to take selfie, the one who loves to take documentation, because life is so short, we have to really enjoy it. Maraming salamat Makabayan for choosing me to be part of your team.
Thank you, Arjo.